The 901 Pallet Dismantler is exactly what it says. It dismantles pallets, which is a fairly tricky process if you've ever seen it work. When the pallets come in, they have nails in them. So now you have an interesting combination of wood and nails that have to be cut through. So we manufacture the 901 Pallet Dismantler, which is an 1¼ M42 band with a 5/8 variable pitch on it. What makes our pallet dismantler different and better is the steel backing. Everybody else uses a D6A backer. We use a 3% chrome backer. Our blade doesn't break in the back as much as our competitors. Like all of our blades at Sawblade.com, ordering just can't be easier. You select the size, we will custom weld the blade, we will ship it within 24 hours. Your blades are perfectly welded. The 901 Pallet Dismantler is a longer lasting blade in the pallet industry because of the way that we mill the teeth on and the steel backing that we use in the blade.